How to punctuate book titles, 3 easy DUAs. Punctuating book titles can be a hectic task, since different types of titles require different notations and typography. So how to punctuate book titles in an easy way? Here are 3 tips to follow. Make use of quotation marks for short works. Follow the MLA style to quote the titles of poems, short stories, and essays while citing as a reference. E.g., "Today is a Good Day" by Mark Smith. Make use of italics for long works. Use italics notations for long poetry and story collections, the anthology of essays, etc. E.g., the collected poetry of Dorothy Parker. Capitalize the first and the last word of title. Get into the practice of first and last word and noun, verb, adverb, etc. for the MLA style, e.g., "This is a port about happy days." Follow these ways and learn the correct use of punctuation. If you need professional to punctuate your book titles, you'll get help from Homework Minutes. We provide 24/7 help. Visit us now. Thank you. For more, www.homeworkminutes.com.